Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off tap to search on your account on X Twitter easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy, and now click accessibility and display and language settings, and here you'll find the accessibility settings. Click on it. Here you'll find it tap to search, just click on it like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off tap to search, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.